Ko makai toka ingoa.
Kia ora, ko Jessica tuku ingoa. For today's mini lesson, we're looking at the names of objects in your classroom so you can use them when you're at school.
First up today, we'll have a look at tepu, a table. Remember to make the air sound longer because of the macron over the air. Can you say it? Repeat over me. Tepu. Kapai.
This is an iPad, but in Te Reo Māori we call it an iPapa. Repeat after me. iPapa. Ipapa. Rāpare.
In Te Reo Māori, a book is called a pukapuka. Repeat after me. Pukapuka. Well done.
In Te Reo Māori, a chair is called a turu. Repeat after me. Turu. Kāpai.
This is a mat space where we usually meet together. In Te Reo Māori, we call it a whāriki. With this word, it's important to say the R longer because of the macron on the top of it. Repeat after me. Whāriki. Rauwe.
In Te Reo Māori, a door is called a kuaha. Your learning coach might ask you to ka te kuaha, which means shut the door. Repeat after me. Kuaha. Well done.
This is a matapihi, a window. Repeat after me. Matapihi. Kapai.
In Te Reo Māori, a toilet is called a wharipaku. If you need to go toilet, you might ask, can I go to the wharipaku? Repeat after me. Wharipaku. Well done.
In Te Reo Māori, a room is called a ruma. Remember to make the U sound longer because of the macron over the U. Repeat after me. Ruma. Rauwe.
In Te Reo Māori, a water bottle is called a patara wai. Patara means water bottle and wai means water. Repeat after me. Patara wai. Patara wai. Tino pai.
In Te Reo Māori, a bag is called a peke. Remember to pronounce the air like air when you say it, for example, peke. Repeat after me. Peke. Well done.
In Te Reo Māori, a book bag is called a peke puka. Puka puka. Peke means bag. Puka puka means book. Repeat after me. Peke puka puka. Tino pai.
And lastly, TV. In Te Reo Māori, TV is poka whakata. Repeat after me. Poka whakata. Tino pai.
Now it is test time. We will put up a picture and you'll have to remember the kupu Māori word.
Put your hand up when you think you know and your learning coach will select you in your hub. What is this in Te Reo Māori? Put your hand up and your learning coach will select you to share with your hub. Did you get it right?
If you said peke, then you're correct. What is this in Te Reo Māori? Put your hand up and your learning coach will select you to share with your hub. Did you get it right?
If you said turu, you are correct. What is this in Te Reo Māori? Put your hand up and your learning coach will select you to share with your hub. Did you get it right?
If you said kuaha, then you're correct. What is this in Te Reo Māori? Put your hand up and your learning coach will select you to share with your hub. Did you get it right?
If you said pātara wai, you are correct. What is this in Te Reo Māori? Put your hand up and your learning coach will select you to share with your hub. Did you... Oh. Did you get it right?
If you said e papa, then you're correct.
What is this in Te Reo Māori? Put your hand up and your learning coach will select you to share with your hub. Did you get it right?
If you said te pū, then you're correct. Well done, everyone. Did your hub get 6 out of 6 correct?
Now we are moving into our next segment, Ki waha o te rā.
Ki waha o te rā means saying of the day in Māori.
Today's ki waha o te rā is kia tūpato, which simply means be careful. Here's an example. Hey Jess, kia tūpato. You almost walked into a pole.
Ready to repeat after me? Let's give it a go. Kia tūpato. That's right. Again. Kia tūpato. Well done.
Let's now recap what we have learnt today. Repeat after me. Tepu. Table.
Repeat after me. iPapa. ePapa. iPad.
Repeat after me. Puka puka. Book.
Repeat after me. Turu. Chair.
Repeat after me. Whāriki. Mat.
Repeat after me. Kuaha. Door.
Repeat after me. Wharipaku. Toilet.
Repeat after me. Ruma. Room.
Repeat after me. Ātarawai. Water bottle.
Repeat after me. Peke. Bag.
Repeat after me. Pēki puka puka. Book bag.
Repeat after me. Poaka whakarawai. Whakarata. TV. Poaka whakata.
Repeat after me. Matapihi. Window. Repeat after me. Ruma. Room. And our ki waha o te rā. Repeat after me. Kia tūpato. Be careful. Well, our ki waha o te rā is an awesome place to finish our lesson today.
Karawhiua e te whānau. Kia kaha o kia te Māori.
Give it heaps, everyone. Make the Maori language strong.
Awesome. Can we give everyone in the Coastal School, can you give Makai and Jess a big round of applause where you are? Awesome. Well done, Makai and Jess. You did great. Kia pai tora koutou, ka kite.
Did anything but.